Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen are True, chapter 63. So here it is. Let's read the story. Jiangshu, she was looking on Xishaning. Xishaning, she was playing the piano outside the Kuning Palace. It seems that she was enjoying listening to the piano. There are often such a bridge in Gongdo dramas, but I really miss it. Yang Yu is still a little silly, no one is giving him a concubine. As for positioning, if the girl is because, now looking at Queen Jiangshu, she seems to be confused. And now, she was looking after her, also thinking about it. But of course, right now, let's remind her if the girl's scene is playing for her mother. The Empress Dowager hope to think twice. Empress Dowager C has a strange temperament. If Siping's heart is happy, everyone should be happy. Finally, the music is tough. It's a persuasion. Yangshu said to herself. Well, let's see if she will get caught by Sijaning. Now, looking at her face, she seems to be hesitating. Move forward and come closer to her. Well, probably. She got really confused and also shy. But the road gave away. Right now, since she was not looking around. Of course, Shizaning, she see her. She moved her closely. When she looked back, Shizaning is hugging her from the back. Well, looking at Jiangshu, she seems to be confused. When Jiangshu said, Shizaning, now, she really can believe it. But she moved closer to her. Of course, it is really awkward since the two of them are having commotion on the last days. No, she is here to see her sweetheart and invite as a pets. Since Queen Jiangshu, she seems to be surprised since it's not enough just go based on the good-looking skin. Then add some connotation, scene, chess, calligraphy, and some articles as displayed, both inside and outside. Are you afraid? So it turns out, until now, she really got jealous. That's why she was really thinking hard. But this is not the point. Right now, Shining, she is still hugging her from back. Little Queen, Jiangshu, she was only staying at her. Sister, what are you doing here? Queen Jiangshu said to her, how did you play the piano just now? On her mind, Queen Jiangshu said, although I don't understand the piano. Now, it seems to be she really got interested on this. Let's see on what will happen. Okay, it's very good. It was very good. Yuyan curse, overwhelming after his sister heard it that, the ears are like listening. Well, she was right. Haha, sister still lives beforehand. Yaxing, who is not here to disturb her sister. Oh, she really got jealous about Yansin, right? Didn't come after. Now suddenly she falls. Well, maybe there's something. But of course, now she really looks serious. Just now, for a moment, I thought she wanted to use the piano to ask for me for a piece. So it turns out it was not everything for her. Well, that was really sad, right? Now, after realizing it, of course, she thinks herself as a silly person. Well, let's see. On how can they survive this? It must be that she doesn't like piano music. Aija is changing something else. Now, looking at Queen Shishaning, of course, it seems to be blushing. But down, it's not down at all. Chess Saint is here. Now, looking at Jiangshu, it seems that she was really afraid to go in. But of course, right now, she really needs to. The strokes are tweaked, and the writing is like a god. It is a fearless work. Only she said it to herself. Of course, King Kang's big case is not yet been concluded. His fellow is not to deal with it. What wind do you smoke every day? Now she was asking. But of course right now, she's really going to answer her. The fuss there was a beautiful woman's grandson. Her dance word, moves, are all direction. Well, it really makes sense to Sishaning. Of course, she is always ready to protect her family, including the intruder one. Now, she really took care of Lovelem. It seems that everything is well done. Her sword skill is really getting better, especially in front of Jiangsu. Everything seems to be fine, doing their own work. Finally, she has a talent to keep her eyes biting off it. Finally, she has some talents to keep her eyes biting off it to the Empress Tower Girl. It really makes sense, right? Since Shishaning, she really want to see her dancing like that. And also, her sword skills are getting better. It was really hard, Shishaning said to her. Now she is trying to avoid her. She stood up and running fast. Makes sense, only hers. Hey, wait, why suddenly she thinks like this? It seems that it doesn't matter to her anymore. She looks really afraid, right? Well, her eyes, it seems that she's going to cry. But wait and see. Shining touched her, and she was holding her. She don't want to let her go. That's why she is taking care of him. Shining said to her, "Do you want to come up to me?" Oh, it makes sense. She got really surprised and said, "What?" Still, Queen Shining, she was really enjoying teasing her so much. Since she was still shy, of course, she really wanted to distance herself on hers. After reading my sword stance, I don't even have a comment. That's what she said before. After reading my sword dance, I don't even have a comment and leave. Well, she was right. Sister didn't show me the dance. These days, she gave on like wetting peacock. Before I want for my sweetheart, it will take again. Now, she looks really worried. If it will stay forever or something will happen again. Of course, she really need to be patient. Back to Queen Jiangsu. She want to walk away from Queen Palace, but the Queen Mother is looking after her, also teasing her. But for now, Shining was calling Jiangsu. She was still holding her backpack. Or let's say, these swords dances for you, Shining said to her. Hearing that confession, of course, it was really great for a moment. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.